Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to download the Microsoft Teams app on your laptop. So here, the first thing that you are going to do, of course, you just have to open your Microsoft Store. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for the Microsoft Teams. Okay, so just type it right here, Teams. Okay, so you have this Microsoft Teams app. Just simply click on this one. Okay, so if you haven't installed this application yet, just simply click on this install option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then once you have downloaded this application, you will then just have to sign up or log in to your Microsoft Teams account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.